After nearly a decade of construction, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) is set to return to its historic Jhandewala address in Delhi, this time in a sprawling state-of-the-art high-rise. The newly rebuilt RSS headquarters, an architectural blend of modern efficiency and ancient wisdom, replaces the modest two-story structure that once stood on the 3.75-acre plot. The new complex, comprising three 12-story towers and around 300 rooms, will serve as a hub for RSS events and lodging for its workers and leaders. Designed by Gujarat-based architect Anup Dev, the structure emphasizes sustainability, featuring an expensive solar power facility to reduce its carbon footprint. Ample sunlight floods the building, a nod to traditional Indian architectural principles. Beyond its administrative role, the headquarters houses an 8,500 book library open to researchers and a fully functional 5-bed hospital. The 150 rupees crore project was funded by nearly 75,000 donors and took over 8 years to complete, with delays caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The RSS, the ideological parent of the ruling BJP, has seen exponential growth over the past 2 decades. To mark the transition to the new building, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat and General Secretary Dattatreya Hosabale will address a Karyakarta Sammelan on February 19th. Meanwhile, the annual Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha, the RSS top decision-making body, will convene in Bangalore from March 21st to 23, where key organizational and ideological matters will be discussed. The complex will also house RSS-affiliated publications like Panchjanya, an organizer, along with Suruchi Prakashana, known for its literature on Hindu thought and nationalism. From a rented office space since 2016 to a towering symbol of its growing influence, the RSS return to Jhandewala marks more than just a homecoming. It reflects the organization's deepening footprint in India's political and social landscape.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.